10th class mathematics first chapter real numbers. In the real numbers first chapter exercise 1.1 fourth question is using Euclid division lemma show that cube of any positive integers is of the form of 9m plus 1 9m plus 8. So here already we know that Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r. So that is why we are taking let a be any positive integer. So it is in the form, we have to show that cube of any positive integer are of the form of 9m plus 1 9m plus 8. So here divisor, that is b value, will become as 9. When we take b value as 9, the remainders must be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 9 remainders will come. To solve that, we can get the 9 cases. If you solve the 9 cases, that 9 cases also will be in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Another way we can solve in the less cases, that is in 3 cases. Suppose we are considering b as 3, that is divisor as 3. The remainders must be less than a divisor, that is less than 3. So the remainders less than 3 are equal to 0, 1 and 2. Suppose if r equal to 0, b equal to 3. Already we know that Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r. A equal to b value is 3 and r value is 0. A equal to 3q plus 0. A equal to 3q. Cubing on both sides. Why we are cubing? In the show that given question it is given that show that cube of any positive integer. So that is why we are cubing on both sides. So a cube, 3q whole cube, 3q whole cube, 3q into 3q into 3q. 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27 q cube. So here we must show in the form of 9m. So that is why 9 taking as a common factor. When we taking 9 as a common factor, it will become 9 into 3q cube. But in the given question, not in the form of q form, it is in the m form, 9m plus 1 9m plus 8. So that is why the bracket factor, that is 3q cube, can be considered as m, 9m, since m equal to 3q cube. So next one is case 2. When we solve the case 2, see here, if r equal to 1, b equal to 3. So a equal to bq plus r, a equal to 3q plus 1. Cubing on both sides. A equal to 3q plus 1. Cubing on both sides. When we cubing on both sides, a cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube formula is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So that is why a cube equal to a, it is in the form of a cube, that is 3q whole cube plus 3a square b. 3a value is 3q square, b value is 1 plus 3ab square. 3a value is 3q, b value is 1 plus b cube 1. On simplifying this, a cube, 3q into 3q into 3q, that equal to 27q cube plus 3q whole square can be written as 9q square. 9 3 is a 27q square. 3 3 is a 9q plus 1 cube can be written as 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. A cube equal to 9 taking as a common factor, it will become as 9 3 is a 27. So 3q cube plus 3q square plus 1q. 1q can be written as q plus 1. So we have to show that in the form of, these are all can be taken as m. 3q cube plus 3q square plus q can be taken as bracket factor as a m. 9m plus 1. That is in the second case. Now we will solve the third case. Third case is the, if r equal to 2, b equal to 3. Already we know that Euclid division lemma is a equal to bq plus r. A equal to 3q plus 2. Cubing on both sides, a cube, 3q plus 2 whole cube. Already before second case we learnt a plus b whole cube formula. On applying that formula we get a cube. It is a value will become as 3q, b value will become as 2a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. On applying this formula here, we can get a cube equal to 3q whole cube 27q cube, 3q whole square 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54 total, 54q square. This one also will become 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36q plus 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 8. So on simplifying this we get a cube equal to 27q cube plus 54 6 9s are 54q square plus 36q plus 8. A cube, 9 taking as a common factor we get 9 into 9 3s are 27. So that is why 3q cube, 9 6 are 54, so 6q square, 9 4s are 36 4q. Whatever the factor which is common in the bracket, that is considered as m. That equal to a cube equal to 9m plus 8. Therefore cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m. In the case 1 9m came, in the case 2 9m plus 1, in the case 3 9m plus 8. So by taking these three cases we can solve this problem simply. Divisor can be taken as here as 3. Suppose if you are taking a divisor as 9, that problem is also correct. The remainders will be 9 remainders will come if you take the divisor as 9. That 9 remainders are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total you have to solve the 9 cases. If we take the divisor as 9, if we take the divisor as 3 also, we can solve the problem same, we can prove it. Although we are taking the divisor as 3 to this problem, we can solve very easily. So in this type of models, if it comes, depending upon the question pattern, you have to take the which is the better divisor, which is the we have to prove it as it is, but in a short way. Although if you take a longer way, it is also a correct. This type of model very important for the 10th class mathematics for CBSE, ICSE and SSC students. Important 4 marks problem.